Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and today I wanted to share with you some of the recent pattern purchases that I made. I think I bought these probably in January, so it's been a little while and I've been intending to do this, but just getting around to it now, so I wanted to share with you just some of these things that I bought. The first one is Butterick 6731. It's this blouse pattern. I've been wanting this one for a while and finally got it on sale. It's got some variations and it's just a cute top. I think it'll be nice for springtime, so looking forward to doing that one. This one is McCalls, Marcy McCalls it's called, 8139. It is a shirt dress pattern, but it's a very simple and seems to be really classically and simply styled. Just some nice simple options there. So I thought this one would be a nice one to add to my stash of patterns. Next is McCalls 8011. I believe I purchased all of these actually online as well. This is McCalls 8011. This is a jacket pattern. It's sort of a jean, you could make it like a jean jacket, almost a moto jacket looking type of jacket here. It just says loose fitting, unlined button front jackets. And it's got a few options as far as the collar, or you can make it cropped, which I like this, this option here, B. So the other one here has appliques on it. I don't think I would do that either. That's also just not my style, but I do like the lines of the pattern. I think it's a nice classic look. The next one is Trudy McCalls. It is 8046. It is a jumpsuit that I saw online. I saw someone on Instagram who had made this and it was gorgeous. That's why I bought it, because I actually have on my list of things that I want to try to do this year. Making a jumpsuit is one of them, because I still haven't done that. So this one has options for shorts and short sleeves, or without the collar and long sleeves. This has a nice detail at the bottom, a nice option at the ankle there. It's good because it's a little different than a lot of other jumpsuit patterns that you see out there. Another one is New Look 6632. This one is an all knit pattern. I just really like this particular style here. I believe this is the cowl neck part of it is a separate piece here. So you don't actually have to have that, but as I said, this is an all knit pattern. It's got pockets and everything, so of course I bought it. This next one is New Look 6449. It's like a shirt dress that you can, I guess, wear as a jacket, and it's got a couple of sheath type dresses, and a couple of options, different ways you can make the shirt. So I just thought this one was kind of cute, so I thought, why not? As you know, New Look patterns usually aren't that expensive, so, and you have all the sizes included. So I thought this was a good one to have. It's an itch to stitch pattern. I've seen this made up on some other people, other YouTubers have done this already that are the pattern testers, and I really like it. It's llama, I believe that's how you say it, llama hoodie and sweatshirt from Itch to Stitch. I really like this style. I think it's really, really cute. And one thing, if you've never made Itch to Stitch patterns, one of the things that I really like about her patterns is she gives you so many different options, long sleeves, short sleeves. Usually you have an option for different necklines, different finishing for the bottom of the shirt or whatever. So I really, really like her, the style, and I've personally never had a problem with the fit of her patterns. So I really like this one. I'm also an affiliate for Itch to Stitch, so I might drop an affiliate link in the bottom if you are interested in checking that out and possibly getting this pattern. I'll put that in the description box below. But I think it's just really, really cute. So it's got a lot of different options. And so yeah, definitely something I want to get around to making. Like I said, those are my purchases currently. And I will hopefully get a chance to dive into some of these and make some soon that I can share with you. So that's it for this video. If you like, please click like, subscribe to my channel. I ask that you hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I put up a new video. And I thank you and appreciate all of you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.